Did you know you can get precise deliveries using the Yodel app? Here's how.
Run it up.
Open the Yodel app. Tap the menu icon and then Account, followed by Delivery Addresses. Tap on your address and under the what3words section, tap Edit and enter the what3words address for your home or delivery point in the field. If you don't know your what3words address, tap the Find My what3words button to open the what3words app. Tap the search bar and enter your street address and select the correct option. Switch to satellite mode and tap the exact square of your front door. Long press on the 3-word address to copy it. Return back to the Yodel app and paste the what3words address into the field. Tap Save and you're all set. Remember to follow for more delivery hacks.
Run it up.